Hey, Janama Showroom. Today I'm going to teach you how to install our free floating shelves. These shelves come in a two-part kit. You get your hanging bracket and the shelf itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate two studs in your wall using any stud finder. And what you're going to do is you're going to run screws into the pre-drilled holes in the bracket just along the studs. It is best to find at least two for optimal security. From there, you have two posts protruding from the bracket itself, which slide right into the back of the shelf here. So all you're going to do is line those up and slide it flush with the wall. And with it routed out in the back, you're not going to see any part of the bracket at all on any side, making it a true free floating shelf.